Welcome student. This is the continuation part of the first part of the video on the chapter Operations on Rational Numbers. We studied what is a rational number in the first video. Also you learnt about the multiplicative inverse. Again we can see the examples. Suppose 4. 4 means 12 upon 3. Minus 3, that is minus 3 upon 1. 7 upon 1. All these are rational numbers. So they are in the form of m upon n. So if m is any integer and n is any non-zero integer, then the ratio m upon n, it is a rational number. And n is greater than 0. So this you have studied in the first part. Now let us move to the exercise practice set number 22. Now we have to solve the additions in this first question. Sum number 1, 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. So here you have to find out the LCM of 36 and 42. So we will find it out in the rough. So 36 is divisible by 2. Then 18 and 21, they come in the table of 3. 3 6 and 3 7. Now further I cannot divide. So your LCM comes 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So if you multiply, it comes to 252. Now you have to make the denominator equal to 252. So let us solve this sum. So 5 upon 36. So 36 multiplied by which number? You will get 252. So 36 multiplied by 7. So both numerator and denominator you will multiply by 7. Plus 6 upon 42. 42 multiplied by which number gives you 252. So you have to multiply by 6. This you can do in the rough. So you get here 35 upon 252 plus 36 upon 252. So the addition comes to 71 upon 252. This is your answer. We cannot reduce because 71 is a prime number. Now we will solve the next sum. Second sum, 1 integer 2 upon 3 plus 2 integer 4 upon 5. We will convert this into fraction. So 3 1 the 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3 plus 5 2 the 10 plus 4 is 19 upon 5. So 3 and 5, the LCM comes 15. Here it should be 14. So 5 upon 3 we will multiply it by 5 plus 14 upon 5. To make the denominator 15 we will multiply by 3. So do the multiplication. 25 upon 15 plus 42 upon 15. The answer comes 67 upon 15. Further we cannot reduce because 67 is a prime number. Now we will move to the second question. Carry out the following subtraction involving rational numbers. First sum, 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. So looking at 11 and 7, the LCM is 77. So 7 upon 11 you have to multiply by 7 to get the denominator 77. Put the minus sign. 3 upon 7 you have to multiply by 11. So 49 upon 77 minus 33 upon 77. So after subtraction the answer comes 16 upon 77. We will solve the second sum. 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. So 36 and 40 we will find out the LCM in the rough. 36 and 40. So it is divisible by 2. 2 18s are 2 20s are. Again these two numbers are divisible by 2. 2 9s are 2 10s are. Now further we cannot divide. So LCM is 2 into 2 multiplied by 9 into 10, which is equal to 4 into 90, which is equal to 360. So the denominator should be 360. So let us solve the example. 13 upon 36 you have to multiply it by 10 minus 2 upon 40 you have to multiply it by 9 to get 360. So 13 tens are 130 upon 360 minus 18 upon 360. So after subtraction you get 112 upon 360. Now let us reduce it. Let us divide by 4. If we divide by 4, so what we get? We get 28 upon 90. Now again you can reduce this to the lowest term. 2 1s are and 2 4s are 2 45s are. Then further we cannot reduce because 14 and 45, these two numbers, they do not come in the same table. So our answer is 14 upon 45. Now the third sum from this question, 1 integer 2 upon 3 minus 3 integer 5 upon 6. So this we will convert it into fraction. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3 minus 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5 is 23 upon 6. Now looking at 3 and 6, the LCM is 6. So 5 upon 3 we will multiply by 2 minus 23 upon 6. 6 is already there. So 5 2s are 10 upon 6 minus 23 upon 6. The answer will be minus 13 upon 6. Now the third question, multiply the following rational numbers. So let us solve the first sum. 3 upon 11 multiplied by 2 upon 5. We cannot reduce any number, so just we have to multiply. 6 upon 55 is the answer. Now the second sum, 12 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 50. So 12 and 15 we can reduce. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So 4 4s are 16 upon 25 is the answer. The third sum, minus 8 upon 9 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Now 3 1s are and 3 3s are. We have to reduce it to the lowest term. 4 1s are and 4 2s are. So the answer comes minus 2 upon 3. The fifth question, carry out the divisions of rational numbers. Now you have to keep in mind, when the division sign, we have to solve the division sum, then we have to remove the division sign and make the reciprocal in the second step. So we will just see by solving the example. 40 upon 12 divided by 10 upon 4. Now in the second step, this division sign, instead of this we will put multiplication sign and make reciprocal of 10 upon 4. So 40 upon 12 multiplied by reciprocal of 10 upon 4 is 4 upon 40. Now we have to reduce it to the lowest term. 10 ones are 10 fours are 4 ones are 4 threes are. So the answer is 4 upon 3. The second sum, minus 10 upon 11 divided by minus 11 upon 10. Now in the second step, what you have to do? You have to remove the division sign and put multiplication sign and make reciprocal of minus 11 upon 10. So that is minus 10 upon 11. So 10 into 10 you get 100 upon 121. Minus minus becomes plus. Now the third sum we will solve. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. Now we will do the second step. Here put the multiplication sign and make reciprocal of this or multiplicative inverse which you have learned. So minus 6 upon 3. So 2 fours are and 2 threes are. So the answer comes, now 3 and 3 gets cancelled, minus 7 upon 4. Minus minus will become plus. Then the fifth sum now we will solve. 2 integer 1 upon 5 divided by 5 integer 3 upon 6. Now we will convert it into fraction. 5 2s are 10 and 1 11 upon 5 divided by 6 5s are 30 and 3 33 upon 6. So now make reciprocal of this. 11 ones are 11 threes are 3 ones are 3 twos are. So the answer is 2 upon 5. So here we have completed the practice set number 22. All these sums which we have solved, you have to solve it in your classwork copy and practice them again and again. The next part we will see in the next video.